So we're here with Neil again, and he's talking to one of the people who owns some of his cars over here. Let's give us a lowdown.
It's Jackson got one. And
This is my YouTube channel, by the way.
and then we actually met the gentleman a couple weeks ago who came
Just
down
tell us
to
about
Chicago,
cars.
Ryan. That has the other
Motor Trend was here yesterday filming for some of these cars because she was telling us that a lot of people own these cars. And you know, they come, they put their cars here, some pinball machines, hang out.
I gotta talk to Brian when he comes by.
But so you have to own at least 2 cars to have your car parked here?
Yeah.
Wow. That's crazy. And how much are these cars worth?
These two are about $250,000 each.
Yeah.
The one down there is about $500,000.
Wow.
Yeah?
The orange one.
The orange one.
I don't know so much about it. I talked to David and Brian.
All right, there you go.
I don't know that much about all the cars.
This is super.
And it's a great place to hang out.
It's a great place to
have-
I would agree.
Have parties.
If you love cars, yeah. Open
And we
space.
always do our David's birthday's around Super Bowl, so we always do a Super Bowl
Yeah.
party. It's not open,
Super Bowl
it's
party.
just us. Like him and his friends.
Where do you watch the game?
On this
If you see, there's a bar right there. Pinballs. This is pretty cool right here. Check this out. This is really cool. So you can even stand in front of this thing over here. You can take pictures. They even got a little cool thing to take pictures. Like I said, Motor Trend was here filming these cars. Another cool thing I saw was Gran Turismo.
Thanks.
This is pretty cool. Complimentary wine in the house.
This here.
They have a Gran Turismo setup, so I love Gran Turismo. I was actually playing that the other day. So they go ahead and reboot it. Gran Turismo is one of my favorite car games of all time. And you're hooking it up right there. Anyway, pretty cool. Pretty cool. You have to be VIP to be part of this club. Also, they keep their cars over here. These are real owners that own these cars. And, you know, they do a lot of things with these cars. What's pretty cool is over here is even with the cars, you can see is they got cool descriptions. So you can see over here, it tells you everything about what the car was made, the name, the mark, make, the model. The year was refreshed. It tells you how many cars were owned. So this is pretty cool. That's pretty cool. Again, Museum 66 here in Florida, Boynton. Just giving you some more detailed stuff about these cars. And let's take a look at this one over here. That's pretty cool. Gives you ins and outs. This one over here. Wow, so you got a pretty good view of everything, and that's pretty cool. Everyone's pretty cool over here, hanging out. Everyone's really into this. Anyway, thank you for watching my video. Again, subscribe to J Live Productions. You know, like I said, you know, with my show, you'll be catching a lot of different things, sports, music, live, day-to-day stuff. We'll also be talking about cars. I love cars, food. I love food and travels. So a little bit of things that you might love. And subscribe to my channel, J Live Productions.